Hello human bodies, welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. Buddies, recently I got an email from one of my subscribers, who gave me a photo in the email and said, if you are a professional level photo editor, then create a professional level passport size photo with this photo and show us. So I'm going to take up the challenge. Let's begin the video. I'm opening this photo in my Photoshop. As you can see, there are many shadows in the face of the photo, which would never be acceptable in a passport size photo. So press Ctrl and L button to open level adjustment window. Now adjust the brightness level to remove shadows from face. The shadows are gone from the face, but the resolution of the photo is not so good. We have to fix this. So I'm saving the photo for this time. Now open web browser and search for this website. You have to upload the photo here. It will fix your photo resolution under 10 minutes. The process is complete. You can see the difference here. Click on Save to download the high-resolution photo. Now open the photo in your Photoshop again. I will cut out the face from the photo, because the shirt is not so good for a passport size photo. Go to the toolbar and select the Quick Selection tool. Now select the face like this. Press and hold the Alt button and drag to remove unwanted selections. Click on Refine Edge for hair masking. Refine Edge is not working, because the hairs are too blurry. So I have to manually select all hairs using Quick Selection tool. Selection has been created. Now right-click here and go to Feather. I'm setting feather radius 2 pixel for better smoothness. Now press Ctrl and J button to create a duplicate layer from the selection. I'm hiding the background layer. Now select the eraser tool and select a soft eraser. So I'm erasing the background from the earrings. It's good enough. Now press Ctrl and N to create a new page. Set the preset settings to custom. Now set the width 40 mm and height 50 mm. Click OK button. A passport size page has been created. I have already downloaded a shirt for the photo, so I am importing that in my Photoshop. I will cut out the shirt using pen tool. After marking, press Ctrl and Enter button to make selection. Now select the Move tool, and drag the selected shirt to the passport size page. The shirt is too big. Press Ctrl and T to transform the shirt. Now you can resize the shirt like this. Click on this icon to apply the transformation. Also drag and drop the face here. Zoom out the photo and press Ctrl and T to transform the face. If you are a Photoshop CS6 user like me, then press and hold the Shift button when resizing. I am adjusting the shirt and the face position. Go to the color box and select the background color. I'm selecting blue color. Create a new layer. And drag this layer to the bottom. Now press Ctrl and backspace to apply the background color. The photo is too big, so I'm cropping the photo again in 40 mm by 50 mm. And it's done. I have completed my challenge. Here is the photo before of editing. And it is after. Consider to subscribe this channel if you have learned something from the video. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.